Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters to your WhatsApp video calls. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So, in order to add filters to your WhatsApp video calls, you'll need to use a third-party application. Here's how you can do it. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Beauty Camera Video Call and select the first application that appears. Install the application on your device. Once installed, open the app and explore the various filter options available. Additionally, make sure to check for any updates for your WhatsApp application in the Play Store. Update WhatsApp if any updates are available. Now you can add filters to your WhatsApp video calls using the Beauty Camera app. That's it. You've successfully learned how to add filters to your WhatsApp video calls. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. And thanks for watching.